Bitcoin finally did it, y'all. What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Playmaker Way with the playbook, and y'all read the title, man. Bitcoin broke and made new all-time highs. What to look out for this week? Now, this is your first time on the channel, man. We've been talking about Bitcoin literally since quarter 2. We've called this projection happening. I literally said we could see this happening towards the end of the year, quarter 4. Things are about to get real interesting the end of this year and the next 4 years, y'all. Now, let's talk about it. Bitcoin is now at 87, hit 88K. At the highest, it was at 89,948, almost. Oh, it might have hit 90,000, right? So, what we're going to be talking about is where we can look for entries for those that are late to the party. You're late, but it's not too late. You feel me? You're late, but it's not too late. But we're also going to talk about those that's in profit to see where we can expect it going. Now, I personally see it hitting 100,000, 120, 160, 180,000 next year if we have even half of this push in the previous higher high. You see what I'm saying? That's what I literally see happening. Now, is that going to happen tomorrow, next month? No. Before that push, there's going to be a retracement. So again, this is where y'all can get in if y'all late to the party. I wouldn't necessarily recommend entering now, but if you do want to invest now, just don't put all your bread in there. And when I mean all your bread, of course, you shouldn't be putting literally all your money in, right? There should be investment money separate from your food, rent, gas money, all that good stuff. But your investment money, do not put all of it into it right now. If you want to put some in now, cool. But before the next big push, there's going to be a retracement, right? Because we just had a higher high get made, right? And what happens after a higher high? A higher low. So I can see price possibly try to retest and retrace at 71,872K. But if it doesn't retrace that far, I definitely see it coming back to around 79,000, 78,000. Okay, so if price does retrace back to those price points, that's where I'd consider putting in more positions. But also those that are a little late to the party, you can jump in there as well. But also those that's in profit, keep an eye on those price points, determine and decide whether you want to take some profits or if you want to keep on holding. Again, it is completely up to y'all. But those that especially been holding like us since August at around 53, 54,000, y'all definitely want to take some profits right now. Okay, never let winners turn to losers. Now, am I saying throw it all away? No, but definitely take some profits out. You feel me? But now, if it can start to hold 87,000, 88,000 as support, we can't see another push to the upside. Like I said, we can see 120,000 get hit easily. If not the end of this year, next year. Now that could happen in this initial and current higher high, or that can happen after the retracement. Now, I did talk about those levels because again, we want to prepare / hope for the best, but we also got to prepare for the worst. So we also have this huge consolidation point right here. So if price does do a bigger retracement than expected and actually do a reversal, it could come down as low as 43, 42,000. Now, do we want to see that happen? No, we don't want to see that happen, but that could come and get retested before the initial push. But I definitely do not want to see it past 62,000 price point. We have a nice strong support level there, so I'd like to see that held. And we also have strong consolidation here, right? And the price tried to treat that level back as support. This resistance level got blown through, so I want to see price hold these next levels. I definitely don't want to see it past 70K, but just because I don't want to see that happen doesn't mean it can't happen. And I'm here to let y'all know all the possible outcomes so you can prepare and understand what's happening. If y'all enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Comment down below any questions, comments, concerns you may have. Make sure to hit that first link in the description, join free signal, free Telegram. If you're interested in how to identify these levels, my signal service on my mentorship program, make sure to hit those links in the description. But before you make any decisions, let me tell you a little about those details. Hands play signal. We trade Tokyo session exclusively with the members. We trade London session and then New York. Just like the Sunday chart analysis I drop in the free signal, I drop one every day during New York session called the New York Price Watch List. This is where I go over the trades we took during Tokyo session, London session, and possible sells going into New York. I don't just say we're looking for buys or looking for sells. I explain why we're looking for buys, why we're looking for sells, and then I take it a step further and go over key price points to look for entries and exits on. As you can see here, I call this signal. You see I'm walking y'all through what's going on with the trades we're in. I'm giving y'all updates to what I talked about in the New York price watch list. And then of course you see me showing y'all screenshots to visually show y'all what's going on behind the scenes, or what I see on my end behind the scenes. All right, we also have exclusive live streams that we go live during New York news events at least twice a week. And just like the London session lives, if you missed the live, they're recorded and posted in here so you can watch them when you get a chance. You have access to over 500 videos of daily chart analysis and weekly live streams. And in fact, you have access to even the ones last year in 2022. Then there's also the pinned messages like the account size key, the student and member group chat, and much more. Now I also have the course, of course. The course doesn't just teach you my trading strategy, it also teaches you how to read the charts, because that's what I teach y'all. You saw I had no indicators, no trend lines. It's simply just market flow and trading and entering and exiting off key price levels. Now all the stuff that I just went over, you get access to all that stuff in the course channel. So that way, not only do you have the step-by-step playbook of how to look and read any chart at all times, but you have ongoing chart analysis, ongoing education for life. Now I also have one-on-one sessions. One-on-one sessions also comes with access to the advanced play signal room and the student member group chat. That way you can earn while you learn, but then you also get 2 sessions a week that are recorded an hour long, but you also get 2 sessions a week that are recorded in an hour long and they're sent to you same day. Those are yours to keep for life. So if you're interested in that, hit those links in the description. If y'all want to contact me directly, y'all can DM me on Instagram at playmaker_way. Also make sure to follow me on there, and TikTok _playmakerway_. I post daily on both pages. And I'll see y'all next time I'm live or next time I post a video. Peace. We out.